Hey everyone! In this video, we will be reviewing and comparing two espresso machines that we think are worth your attention. If you find our review helpful, don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. If you want to experience a barista feeling at home, both Nespresso Inissia and Mueller Premium Espresso Machine will give you the perfect cup of coffee. However, Mueller Espresso Machine offers more versatility with its ability to grind and brew your coffee beans, giving you the freedom to make a barista-style brew just the way you want it. Nespresso Inissia has a patented extraction system which delivers up to 19 bars of pressure, making it a top pick for any barista lover. If you're on a budget, Nespresso Inissia by Breville is the perfect choice for you. Costing only $131, Mueller Espresso Machine, while it boasts of great features, is more expensive and will cost you around $399. So, if you're looking for a good quality espresso machine that won't break the bank, Nespresso Inissia should be your go-to choice. Mueller Espresso Machine offers more versatility and control over your brew since you can grind and brew your coffee beans. You can even adjust the temperature of your coffee depending on your preference. Nespresso Inissia, on the other hand, has two programmable buttons that offer just two sizes for your espresso and lungo. So that's our review of these two amazing espresso machines. If you're still confused about which one to buy, remember that Nespresso Inissia is a great pick if you're on a budget and want something that is easy to use, while Mueller Espresso Machine might be better suited for you if you want to have more control over your brew and create the perfect cup of coffee, latte, or cappuccino. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another review video.